How to replace the Human Touch ALTUS Manicure Trays. You will need a magnetized Phillips-head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for use during reassembly. To get started, raise the armrest as far as it will go. If the tray is not raised, pull up on it until it locks in the extended position. Next, remove the 4 screws that secure the tray locking bracket to the tray. Then, remove the 4 screws that secure the tray to the armrest. This frees the tray from the chair. Now, let's replace it. To install the new tray, hold the tray in position, align the tray screw holes with the armrest bracket, then replace the 4 screws to secure the tray to the armrest. Next, align the tray locking bracket screw holes with the holes in the center of the tray, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Lower the armrest, then pull down on the tray release tab to lower the tray. Repeat this process to replace the other tray.